panic attack. I try to keep my cool cause I know they want me to react, but I don't got the luxury of holding back. I try to reason and I try to keep my words in my mouth. I get excited and you know I love when they come back out, but you have never been me and you don't know what I'm about, yeah. Surrounded, don't know what for. I'm like the waterfall, going over the edge, that's the last we saw. Missing for 1,000 years, the memories can't keep you here. Gone like the sands of time, this is real life, we can't hit rewind. Life is like a waterfall, we drift away and that is all. Situations come around where there's no in between. You gotta try to get up before you get pulled in too deep, cause once you're down there you'll be back.